All right, we're going to talk about how to make a multiplication sheet as quickly as possible without multiplying. And so what you're going to do is you are going to start with a 1 and then fill it in all the way to 12. And so if this was a day that you needed to use it, you would just draw 12 lines this way, 12 lines this way. And it's not going to be a perfect grid, but it's going to get you all of the slots that you need. And then you'll number by ones all the way down. So a way to remember it is start with what you're super easy counting by, or that you learned really early on in life. So I would do our 2s, okay? So we're going to count by 2s. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. And then you're going to count by 2s on the way down. And again, if this is too fast for you, pause it so that you have time to fill it in. And then you can practice it on your own before the test next week. And then I'm going to do 5s. And so part of the things that I'm teaching you is going to be based on filling in your 2s, your 5s, and your 10s first. And so some of those little hints are going to be hard if you don't fill it in this order. All right, and so we're going to do our 10s next because those are super easy. So I'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then I just go and I put zeros on all of them. So again, I want this to be quick. I don't want this to take tons of time. It's just kind of a way to center yourself before the test starts and also have help. Like we can simplify fractions on this, we can multiply and divide, you can do a lot of things. All right, so at this point, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do our 11s, okay? So we're just gonna go to 99 and we're gonna do the easy ones, all right? So we're gonna start with 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. These will be filled in later, okay? So go ahead and do your 11s down as well. So we're doing all the easy stuff first. All right, and so next we are going to talk about your 9s. 9s are really cool in that we can, they always add up to, so like 1 plus 8 is 9 and 4 plus 5 is 9. And so we're going to start with 1 here, okay? Our 1 is already here, so we're going to start in our 10s place. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're going to go to our 1s place. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so practice it on the way down. So we're going to say 1, start in our 10s place, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so now we're going to go to our 12s. So our 12s is just 10 plus 2. So every 1's place is going to be counting by 2s. So we're going to start with our 1's place on this one. Okay, we're going to say 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4. And then because these are filled in, we can just count by 1s. So 1, we'll go to your 10s place. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it skips to 6, but we don't have to know that because it's already there. So start at 6, we go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then it skips to 12, but we don't have to know it because that's already there. That's why it's important we do our 10s. So then we have 12, 13, 14. So let's practice our 12s on the way down. So start with your 1's place. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4. And then we're going to count by ones. 1, 2 in our tens place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it skips to 6. So start at 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skips to 12, so start at 12. 12, 13, 14. All right, on this one, on the 11s, so just 11 is 10 plus 1. So add 10 to that. That would be 120, and then add one more. So 121. All right, so the rest of these are basically just counting on your fingers. If you don't know how to skip count by threes, you're going to say 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21, 22, 23. I'm sorry, 22, 23, 24. And then you're going to do it on the way down, on threes, down as well. Okay, fours is also, fours, you have skip counting by fours, so 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Then 28. And then I'm still counting on my fingers. I want you to try not to multiply here because we want to, if you have trouble with multiplication, we want to go ahead and count on our fingers and get all of these correct. All right, so we're going to go 4 down, fill that in. And then so here is by 6. So we are literally counting by 6 on our fingers. So 30 plus 6 would be 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. And then 42 plus 6, if we counted our fingers, would be 48. And so these two will swing here so that I don't have to do it again. And then again, we just count by sevens. This plus 7, count on our fingers if we have to. This plus 7. And then we'll swing that here. And then plus, this is on the 8. So we plus 8 and we get 64. So these 9 that we just filled in are the most missed on the multiplication chart. So that's why I want you to be counting on your fingers and making sure not to go by memory if you have trouble with multiplication. So there is your hundreds chart. So go practice.